someone knocked on your door and presented you with a check for $1 million? That was reality today for a Lexington man, Brian Willis, the lucky winner of $1 million check after Publishers Clearinghouse visited Lexington today. Can you believe that? There is a prize patrol. They were at the Publix market this morning on Old Cherokee Road to reveal Willis's name before presenting him with the check. Willis says he had no idea the check was coming his way. And as you can imagine, he feels incredibly blessed.
How am I feeling? Very, very blessed and thankful and surprised. That's how I feel right now, and it's like, really? No, you got the wrong guy, I think. But this is simply amazing, and it's a real blessing. What more can I say? I thank our Heavenly Father for this, really.
That sums it up. The Prize Patrol has handed out more than $252 million in prizes to people all over the country. Wow.